What's up guys, this is Adrian from Top Collectors, and today we're going to be unboxing two other Tomica models. The Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato regular edition and the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato first edition. Let's open these up. Wow, this is really nice, guys. Very, very nice. I've never actually seen the Zagato. This is the first time I actually see the model. And again, standard with Tomica, you got your nice plastic headlights. Those are always a bonus. You got your Aston Martin badging. You have your vent grills. You got your front diffuser. Again, these plastic wheels. Fortunately, it's the only kind that come on the regular mainline. You got some gold highlights over here. You got some badging, and the doors open on this. You get a little sneak peek on the inside. It's actually a pretty well crafted interior on this smaller scale. Both doors open. Yes, absolutely. You got your back view over here. No badging on the back whatsoever. Not sure if it's an error just on my model, but if you guys seen other ones that do have badging, be sure let me know in the comments below. Yeah, nice little plastic muffler tips. All one shade over here at the top. Yeah, I would have maybe liked if this was either a matte black or a gloss black finish, just to give it a little bit more of a smoother transition. But overall, very nice, even painted fog lamps over there. It looks really black on the photo, but this looks more like a charcoal gray. I'm really digging this color. Yeah, so instead of same exact features compared to the red one, yeah, this is, you got a silver accents over here as opposed to the red gold. And you have an actual painted colored taillight. Probably this one might have as well, but it's very hardly noticeable. Again, the beautiful suspension, and that's it. Thanks so much, guys. Let us know in the comment section below which color was your favorite. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get updates on when we release new content, and we'll see you in the next one.